This evening I'm going to show you guys how to cut your hair yourself. Kids, don't do this without your parents' permission. You can make a mess. As you can see, my hair's not real long, but since I can cut it myself, it's getting a little shaggy and just winter's about to be over, spring's coming, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to cut it. You want to make sure that your blades are nice and clean. Need to do that, but that is something important. And your blade should also be oiled up. Your blades to be moving freely. What I do is I go from a 4 to a 3 to a 1. 4 up top, and then fade from a 3 into the 4, and then a 1 into the 3. So I'm gonna have the 4, the 3, and the 1, and the left ear and the right ear. So it's important. You want to set your stuff aside and get ready for this haircut. Prepare for the mess. You can either put down a towel or prepare your area. Everything out of the way. And I'm going to start with my highest setting, which is the 4. You go down to the lower one, which is going to be a 3 in this case. This is something that you kind of gotta have to feel out. And however high you want your fade, that's where you bring it to. So what you do is you just start down here at the bottom, and then come up to the top and fade up into the 4. Working rows all the way across like this. Especially in the back. You may need somebody's help to make sure you got everything. But if you just feel it, where that crown is in your head, you just go up to that and you kind of fade out of it. You come up, you kind of want to go at an angle from front to back, or from back to front, whatever works for you. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to move on to the 1. Now I'm going to fade the 1 into the 3. Okay, now I'm going to do the earpiece. So I don't typically use these just because I'm good with these. So what I do is take your, it's labeled, it says right ear. You put that on. See how it's feathered like that? This is going to obviously be where your ear is at on this short side, and then it goes into a longer hair. So now we do that. Now starting from the back, you just want to kind of come around. Don't use these because my hair's shorter than these already are, but just to show, just take them off and go around my ears. Kind of trim up my neckline. Where your two sides come together into one. So what you want to do is just feel the bottom of that with your finger, and just kind of just use your finger as a guide. And then these sides, on the side, you can see it better. I'm gonna get this here. And if you see any long hair, you just have to have a kind of a light hand and trim them. The neckline gets hairy. That's why I learned how to cut my own hair. I don't want to go spend $12 to $15, $20 for a haircut every time I get stray hairs on my neck. And now you just want to take where your clippers didn't clip and just trim them up like your sideburn. You want to kind of comb them forward like that, and just before you place this though, you need to make sure your clippers are where you want them at. Just get up here, kind of trim off your long hairs that were left. I'm getting bald spots now, so I don't have to worry about it so much. My wife's in there laughing at me. Now what I'm gonna do is, because I noticed that I missed some over here with the 3. I'm gonna get my 3 back. Because I'm not cutting into anything with the 3, I'm gonna go on back to the 1. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna bring this up a little bit higher over on this side. And now I have my wife look at it for me. You're probably gonna mess up a couple times on this too, but I feel like the best mistakes I've ever made are the ones that I learn from and get better. It's all about getting better. Never stay where you're at. Always improve. So, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower and wash this off, clean up my mess. Cleanup's pretty easy. That's all the hair that I cut. So, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, watch my videos and like them if they help you. Please comment down below